Hey y'all, sorry, excuse my squinting, it's really sunny. Welcome to doing some labs with Mr. G. Today we are practicing our scientific method by doing the Diet Coke and Mentos lab. Specifically, we're going to find out, will other sodas have the same effect as Diet Coke? So let's take a look. So here are some of the materials that I have gathered. To make this lab happen, first of course you need some sodas. I've got my control, Diet Coke, and I'm also going to be testing 4 other sodas. We've got Coca-Cola, Diet Dr. Pepper, Sprite Zero, and Coca-Cola Zero. Other things that you might need if you're going to do this at home, of course, is Mentos. I got a big pack of Mentos, so I can be putting plenty of so I have plenty reserved just in case. I've also made kind of a Mentos holder tube, let's say dispersal unit. Anyway, this is going to help me to insert all the Mentos into the bottle at one time. So if you're doing this at home, I recommend doing something like this, having some sort of tube. At school we might use a graduated cylinder to pour it out. Here it's just I've taken a note card and made it into a tube, sizing it around the Mentos package so that I know it'll slip through quite easily. And then the last thing you might need is a scale. So here I've created a scale. Goes up to about 11 feet is the last piece of tape, 12 feet at the point of my roof, but I couldn't reach that with my ladder. So that's what we've got here. Recommended lab safety gear might be goggles and an apron before you get to it, because it might make a mess. So here we go. Alright, so it helps if you have some lab assistants. So here we have my 2 lab assistants, Kari and Ren. Ren, please load the Mentos into the tube that Kari is holding. So we're putting them in the tube, so again that they will very easily just slip into the neck of the bottle. That's going to be step 1. While she's doing that, I'm going to move on to step 2, which is open the bottle. Okay, so now step 3, get into position to drop Mentos into bottle. And when you're ready, go ahead and drop them. Next trial with Coca-Cola. The Diet Coke was our control. We were going to do 6 Mentos in each, but we dropped 2, so we're going to do 4 Mentos in each soda. Go ahead, Kari. Okay, so the last one only had 2 go in, so those results aren't exactly going to be valid. This time we're employing a new method where we're going to use this card. You gotta just make sure the tube is right over the thing, and then you're just going to sweep out the card and let them all fall in. We'll see if this works out. This is trial Diet Dr. Pepper. Go ahead, Kari, and move. Alright, that seemed to work a lot better. Alright, here's our next trial. This is Sprite Zero for Mentos. Go ahead, Kari. Alright, it's late. Last trial, Coke Zero. Getting it ready. Whenever you got it. Ooh, much more vigorous reaction. So in addition to looking at the height of the reaction, we can also take a look at the sodas themselves and see how much soda is left in each, and that gives you an idea about how much soda left of the bottle, how vigorous that reaction was. So it'll tell you about which one had the biggest reaction. Alright, so we finished up testing on the Diet Coke and Mentos for today. And we had a few bumps along the roads. We didn't get quite the heights I was expecting to reach on this one. Last time we did it, we actually got much higher reactions. But that goes to show you it pays to be prepared. Maybe if I had a few more sodas ready to go, we could have redone some of those and maybe thrown a few more, as many Mentos as we had originally planned. But yeah, so you can take a look at back at the video, make your own conclusions about which one was the best and how you think you can improve on this particular lab. So I had a lot of fun doing experiments at home today, me and my lab assistants. Can't wait till we do our next lab. Hope you have some enjoyed watching it, and hope you can have fun doing your own labs at home as well. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye, y'all.